Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. This next recipe is a crowd pleaser, and if you have a lot of people coming or a celebration, this is a great thing to have on hand. It's called cream cheese and salsa dip, and this is great served with nachos or crackers. And before we get right to doing the recipe, just to let you know that my cookbook is available on Amazon, and I've provided a quick link in the description below this video. Alright, so we'll get back to today's featured video. Now I start by getting out the hand mixer. It works better for mixing this together really thoroughly and getting it nice and smooth and creamy. So we'll start with some cream cheese and some Miracle Whip. You'll need two 250 gram packages of cream cheese and about 2 tablespoons of Miracle Whip. So just continue beating this until it's mixed together really well and there are no more lumps and it's smooth and creamy. Now do a taste test and make sure that it tastes like it has a good ratio of the Miracle Whip versus the cream cheese. I use 2 generous tablespoons of Miracle Whip, but if you need more you can add a little bit at this point and mix it in thoroughly. But then we're going to put it into, in this case I'm putting it into a casserole dish, to about a 9 by 11 inch cake pan. You want to use something that's reasonably shallow so that you can do your layers and you'll have room for the rest of the ingredients on top. So we'll just take the large spoon and spread that out evenly. And I like to use a bit of a spatula and tidy up the edges a little bit. Next we're going to wash and cut a little piece of bell green pepper. And you won't need very much of this, it'll only take a little bit to actually do what we need it to do. So we're going to sprinkle it on top of the cream cheese. And so we'll cut it into small pieces like this. And I'm using probably, I don't know, 1/4 cup or so, just sprinkled over the top. Now we can top that with some salsa. I use mild salsa, and you'll probably use most of the jar. Sprinkle the salsa over the top of the cream cheese and spread it out evenly. Now then, to finish it off nicely, we're going to go ahead and grate some mild cheddar cheese. Now I'm using a grater that's a little bit coarse, but you could do it finer than this too if that's what you prefer. And for the sake of amounts, I'm probably using about 1 cup of this. But you just want to sprinkle it generously over the top of your dip. Now you can do this up and use it right away, or you can do it up ahead and put it in the fridge. If you're having a party, it can be done way ahead of time, and then you just cover it with saran wrap, put it in the fridge. And if you have dip left over, it's good in the fridge for 2 or 3 days. But this dip is rather addictive, so I doubt you'll have much in the line of leftovers. Now this is really easy and simple to make, so I hope you go ahead and do that and enjoy. And until next time, happy eating!